Narrator. By using a secret power, many people around the world are achieving success and living their dream lives. And guess what? You possess this power too. The only thing missing is for you to discover it and unleash its potential. Today I will reveal how to find this power and transform your life for the better. But first, let's explore why we haven't been told about this power and the dark realities that exist in our world. Have you ever noticed how society reacts when a child or anyone dares to be different? People will try their best to demotivate you, filling your mind with negativity. They don't want you to succeed because they fear your success will overshadow their own. This negative mindset is ingrained in us by our education system and society. Our current mindset is weak, and it poses a threat to our success. Adding to this, social media platforms have a significant influence on our mindset. We spend hours scrolling mindlessly, consuming memes and watching reels. This further weakens our mindset, hindering our drive to achieve success. But fear not, together, we will overcome these obstacles and develop a growth mindset that will propel us to success. Developing a growth mindset is not something that happens overnight. It requires dedication and effort, but I promise you it will be worth it. Let's dive into some simple steps that will help you develop this mindset and unlock your secret power. Start by grabbing a clean sheet of paper and write down all your dreams. Let your imagination run wild. Afterward, choose one dream that resonates with you the most. Now ask yourself, how will I achieve this dream? Allow the answers to flow naturally and write them down. For the next 7 days, keep asking yourself the same question and note down all the different answers that come up. Analyze them and find the common thread among them. Identify the best answer that resonates with you the most. This answer holds the key to your success. Now it's time to break down your dream into smaller, more manageable parts. Let's use the example of a passion for making self-improvement videos. What skills do you already possess in this area? Can you easily acquire the necessary knowledge and tools? What motivates you about this dream? Break down each aspect and understand how they contribute to your overall success. Remember, developing a growth mindset is a journey, and it won't always be easy. But if you commit yourself to this process, nothing can stand in your way. Your secret power lies within your mindset, and by harnessing it, you will surely achieve the success you've always dreamed of. So let's embark on this journey together, uncovering our secret power, transforming our lives, and realizing our true potential. Don't let society's limitations or a weak mindset hold you back. With the right mindset, determination, and these simple steps, success will be within your reach. Are you ready to unlock your secret power and change your life for the better? The choice is yours. Have you ever wondered what it takes to achieve your dreams? It all starts with taking that first step. When I choose to embark on this path, a sense of relief washes over me. I know that I am finally moving forward towards my aspirations. But let me tell you, this journey won't be a walk in the park. It's going to be tough, challenging, and sometimes even overwhelming. However, through it all, I've learned that having a strong mindset is crucial. The more steps I take, the more I realize the power within me to make things happen. Believing in yourself is key. Even when others may doubt you, remember that your dreams are valid. Trust in your abilities, and have faith that one day, your dreams will undoubtedly become a reality. The power to make it happen lies in your hands. There's something else I want to share with you. I have a humble request. Do not let anyone else dictate the course of your life. Focus on completing and building a successful life for yourself. The truth is, not everyone wants to see you succeed. That's why it's essential to stay resilient and stay focused on your dreams. In a world that may not always be supportive. You must be your own champion. Embrace the power within you and use it to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Your dreams are worth pursuing, and you have the strength to bring them to fruition. In conclusion, taking steps towards your dreams brings a profound sense of relief. With each step, your mindset grows stronger, propelling you closer to success. It won't be easy, but always remember to believe in yourself and your capabilities. This power is within you, waiting to be unleashed. So don't let anyone hold you back. Build a successful life for yourself, because ultimately, you are the one who has the power to make it happen. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you all the best on your journey towards success.